Hello, just wanted to jump on quickly because I've realised that I'm talking to a lot of people who just don't seem to understand the nuances between bookkeepers, accountants, management accounts, blah 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 blah. There's lots of bits and pieces to it. So just thought I'd quickly, hopefully, try and clarify. So bookkeepers tend to start from the bottom up. We pull together all the little bits and pieces and create a set of useful accounts. So you've then got the numbers to start working from. Now you've got your accountant who will take care of the statutory accounts, right? Statutory accounts being the ones you have to do. So those are your tax returns or your corporation tax returns. So they'll use the information that the bookkeeper's created, they'll delve into it a little bit, pick out some bits they need to amend, make sure it complies with all the tax laws, and then do all the necessary bits with HMRC. And then sitting somewhere floating around the edges is management accounts. Now they are what they do, what they say on the tin, management accounts. They're there to help you manage your business. Now obviously you can't manage your business by looking at a profit and loss. By the time your accountant's done their thing and filed their tax return, it's probably best part of a year later. That's not going to help you out. You're not going to be able to make decisions on where your business is going next based on accounts that are 12 months old. What you need from a management accountant is to start using the numbers on a regular basis to look for trends, to start to monitor KPIs. So for example, if you've got 3 products, which one makes you the most money? Are you selling enough of that one? If your margins have gone down, why have your margins gone down? Can you afford to take on a new member of staff because you've got a big client in the wings and you don't know whether you can take them on or not? Should you get funding to go for that project? Could you afford the repayments? There's lots of those kind of planning and information questions that you can get from your numbers if you work with a management accountant. And that is what I have always done. My whole thing before the bookkeeping business started was working with people who aren't finance bots, who don't like the finance side of things, but they had to manage budgets, they had to report to people about where their spending's gone and how they've done against what their targets were. And I was the person who sat between them and their manager, between them and their numbers, and helped them see what they could actually do and help them understand how what they were doing was reflected in their accounts and their numbers. And that is where the real power comes in. So bookkeepers pull the threads together, accountants send it all off to HMRC, and management accountants, we work magic.